Hey everybody, Kelly here. I wanted to do this discussion today on life insurance and why it's so important. So as an entrepreneur, I think that most of us don't have an adequate or if any life insurance just in case something happens. And I know as a real estate agent, at any time anything could happen. And I don't think that most of us have the coverage that we need. And so I just signed up last week with Mariana from New York Life. And my policy was literally only around $20 when everything was settled. And because it was, and because it was so cheap, I thought, okay, well, in the fact that something should happen, I need disability coverage too.
Right.
So then I added that on, and I think just because I know because of the level that I got, I wanted to be really secure. I think that policy was about $120, but there's so many different levels that you can cover yourself. So I wanted to have this discussion to let everyone know, even if you do have life insurance with your 9-to-5, she's saying that sometimes you may even need more. So we just want to open up this panel and we want to talk about life insurance and why it's so important.
Definitely.
Thanks for having me, Kelly.
You're welcome. So shoot first.
With the questions?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, as you know, I have little ones.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, I've never considered before the importance of having life insurance for both myself and for my children. Can you speak a little bit about that and why it's so important?
Absolutely. Life insurance, well, in the world of real estate, I compare life insurance underwriting to your mortgage underwriting. So when you are getting a mortgage, your credit score is what gets you a better price, a
I don't
better
think a lot
interest
of
rate.
people know that.
Okay.
That's an important fact out there that I don't think people do realize.
Yeah, so making sure that you're taking care of your credit is how you can get more
Exactly.
money for a loan, okay? So in that aspect, life insurance is, instead of it being your credit, it's looking at the overall health of the individual.
Right.
So their health is what's going to affect the price, right? So guess who is the most healthy
Your children.
of all of us, right?
Our children.
So when we buy life insurance for our kids, we're doing a few different things. Number one, we are protecting our grandkids. So we're making sure that something is in place that is going to protect them. Number two, if they do have any medical issues go down the road, their insurability is never at risk. They already have everything in place. And number three, when we set things up for children, we set it up in a way that there's also a cash value savings component to it. A lot of our clients use these policies to save for college or